Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vakisha Mishra and today I am here to share my favorite performance from the evening gown round of preliminary competition of Miss Universe 2020. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we move ahead, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and also turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any pageant story or updates. So let's get started. So this list is in no particular order and let's start with Australia. When I talk about Australia, I think I really loved her beautiful face, the grace which she brought in the picture, and how I really wish that she smiled even more often when she reached the headram. Although I was a fan of her beautiful face and how she carried herself on the runway because her walk was really on point, but had she smiled more, I think she would have looked even more gorgeous. Now next up I have Brazil. I think I really liked Brazil's performance in the evening gown competition and she had one of the best performances in the evening gown rounds, and I think her gown and her overall personality which was projected on the stage during the prelims EG round, I feel that she was very graceful and smooth when she was gliding down the runway. I also feel that her expressions were quite good. Her posture is extremely good. The way she was gliding from left to right, it was really polished and chic. And I feel that she really nailed her performance very beautifully. Now next up I have Cameroon. Now Cameroon was stunning. Although I was not a fan of the styling, I mean if she could have done a bun or she could have left her hair, a little bit in a more different way, I think she would have looked even more royal. But if we talk about her expressions, I think she was all royalty tonight. She was stunning and I really loved her queenly and lovely expressions. She brought her aura very beautifully on the stage and for that I really appreciate her. Next up I have Canada. I think Canada nailed her evening gown competition because she knew how she's taking her twirls and turns. She was very sophisticated, very polished throughout, and I feel that she literally enjoyed her moment on the stage. When she was walking down the runway, I felt that she knew that she's owning this particular runway, and that is what makes her performance even more memorable. I liked her Michael Cinso evening gown and she looked fabulous in that. Next up, I really loved Curacao. I really loved her angelic face and the way she smiled throughout, that really made me adore her more and more. Now next we have Dominican Republic. I think the performance was not very extraordinary, but if we talk about her facial expressions, her eyes, I was simply blown away with the expressions she showcased on the stage. Next up, I really loved the performance of Great Britain because she was very sassy throughout. I literally loved how she was so energetic throughout the competition, and her turns and twirls and her eyes and her smile, that completely made her performance even more lively and energetic. Now next I have India in my list. I think Adeline Castellano was superb and graceful throughout the competition in the evening round, and I feel that she literally owned the stage. The moment when she reached the headram, she was looking at the audience, the stage, and she got quite emotional at that moment, and that was one of the very special moments which I witnessed today in the prelims. And I feel that India is not here to play, but she's here to slay and own the game. And now coming to Indonesia, I think Indonesia also killed it with her performance. She wore a very beautiful emerald green gown and she looked absolutely stunning in that. Her eyes were doing all the magic in the competition and I literally enjoyed her presence on the stage. Now next I have Jamaica. I think her expressions were on point and she was also very confident and bold as she moved herself throughout the stage. Another performance which really was amazing in my opinion is Mexico. I think Andrea Meza killed it with her performance. She was equally good in swimsuit, and when we talk about her evening gown performance, she nailed it. Her turns, her twirls, her eyes, her expression, her muscle movement, everything was on point. And for a moment even you cannot take your eyes off from that beautiful performance. She was that good. Now next we have Peru. I think Janek Maseta looked absolutely charming in tonight's prelim because she was wearing a beautiful gown, her styling was on point and she has a gorgeous face. So it's very much obvious that she literally looked like a diva who has stepped on the runway. And I thoroughly enjoyed her walk as well. She was enjoying her moment. I loved her eyes and her expression and she was living her moment. Now next up we have Puerto Rico. I was in love with this beautiful frilling gown and the aura it brought with Estefania Soto. When Estefania was walking down the runway, she literally moved me with her charm. Anytime whenever you're watching a prelim competition, when you watch any particular candidate, you look at her and you say that she has the potential of being the winner. And to me, Estefania Soto had that potential in this very moment when she reached on the runway in the evening gown competition. She nailed it. I mean, anybody can slay the swimsuit round, but when you have to carry a gown with grace and when you have to show your queenly vibe, it's really difficult to do so and also bring in certain kind of spunk and energy, and Estefania was managing to do all of that. So with this, I feel that Estefania was also one among the best along with Adria Meza in this particular competition. And last but not the least, I have Romania. She is so beautiful, she is so cute like a doll, but the way she manages her fierce expression, that is something to die for. So finally, these were my favorites from the evening gown competition of the prelims. Now let me talk about certain gowns which grabbed my attention. And I'm not talking about the performances now, I'm only talking about the details, the design of the gown. So the very first gown which caught my attention was of Argentina. I mean, the details which I observed, the silver crown, and it was sparkling. Although the light were not enough on the Miss Universe stage, I felt that Argentina still managed to turn all the heads with the beautiful gown she was wearing. So the gown was really beautiful, and I wish there were more lights so that we could see the details of the gown in a more flickering and beautiful way. The only thing which I feel sad about is that the people are going to remember her gown but not her performance. Now another gown which I really liked was of El Salvador. It was a beautiful gown. France also wore a very beautiful gown. I really like the color and the design of the gown. Then we have Iceland. I really love the simplicity of this gown. The color blue, the royal blue color actually gave me vibes of a queen, and Iceland looked stunning in this particular gown. I really like the neck thing, the neck design, and also the slit which was there in the gown. It was really beautiful. Now next we have Indonesia. I mean, how can you forget Indonesia? Indonesia is stunning whenever it comes to design and costumes, and also this year they have not disappointed us at all. If I really want to see the closer look of Ayu Maulida's gown, because I feel that this particular gown would be amazing in person. The color, the details would be really good. Oh, and I also love the gown of Jamaica. I really like the tinkered bell kind of thing attached to the trail and the bottom part of the gown, and it also had so many jewels studded right here in the above part of the gown, and she looked absolutely gorgeous and beautiful in that. I really love this gown. Laos had a very beautiful gown as well. Then we have Nicaragua and Peru who were wearing amazing gowns. So with this we have reached towards the end of the video. Very soon we will be watching the crowning of the new Miss Universe, and I still cannot believe that we have reached towards the finale of Miss Universe 2020. So leave down your favorites from the evening gown competition in the comments, and also share which evening gown did you like the best from the competition. I'll see you guys soon with many more videos, so stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe the channel. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.